Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log out of your Perplexity AI account. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account, and right now what I want to do is simply log out. Well, it's quite easy. At the bottom left, you can see your username. If you click on it, well, from here, you guys cannot see the logout option. What you guys need to do is simply go to settings. Right next to your username, you can see a button like this that is settings. Click on it. Once you are in the settings page, initially you will be in the accounts tab. Well, as you can see, there are lots of options available, and we do need to stay in the accounts tab. Simply scroll down to the very bottom, and from here you can see a button like this that says active account, and simply right next to it there is a button like this called as sign out. Click on it. Well, in case you want to sign out of all your sessions, click on the button just below it. But for now, let's simply hit on sign out. Then Perplexity AI will ask for your confirmation. Simply hit on confirm, and then you will be logged out of your account. And guys, that is it. That's how we log out of your Perplexity AI account. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.